Inside your brain, inside your mind, understanding the human brain like never before. Hey you, welcome back to Psyche Abridged. So tell me honestly, have you ever caught yourself overthinking, zoning out, or reacting in a way and later going, wait, why did my brain do that? Yeah, me too. Well, today we are going to deep dive literally inside your mind to explore the most fascinating, mysterious, and downright magical thing about being human your brain. But don't worry, this won't be one of those boring textbook frontal lobe parietal lobe lectures. Nope. Think of this as your brain 101, decoded like a story with real talk, gentle humor, and moments that'll make you go, ah, that's why the way I am. So grab a cup of coffee, tea, or dopamine. Kidding. Let's dive in. Point number 1. The brain, a universe inside. Okay, first things first. Your brain weighs roughly around 3 pounds, about the size of a small cauliflower. And yet it controls everything. Every thought, dream, heartbreak, habit, sneeze, and late night snack craving, that's all your brain. Imagine 85 billion neurons inside your head, each one buzzing like tiny lightning bolts, talking to each other, creating your emotions, memories, decisions, and even the person you think you are. Now here's the wild part. Every time you learn something new like this video itself, your brain literally rewires itself. New connections form, old ones fade, you're sculpting your mind in real time. That's called neuroplasticity and it's your superpower. Point number 2. The big 3. Forebrain, midbrain, and the hindbrain. Let's break it down like levels in a game. Level 1. The forebrain, the CEO. This is where the magic of consciousness happens. It handles thinking, emotions, planning, and even memory. It's like the office part of your brain, full of departments. The cerebrum for decisions, the thalamus as your internal post office, sending information around, the hypothalamus, tiny but mighty, regulating sleep, hunger, hormones, and of course, the limbic system, your emotional powerhouse. This is where your Eunice lies. Level 2. The midbrain, the messenger. It's like an office assistant, connecting sensory data to your reactions. It controls your movements, alertness, and your fight or flight responses. When you flinch from a bug or jump out loud at a noise, say hello to your midbrain. Level 3. The hindbrain, the guardian, the oldest, most ancient part, running the show even when you're asleep. Your medulla keeps your heart beating. Your pons help you dream, and your cerebellum, that's your balance and coordination guru. If you've ever tried dancing after an all-nighter and failed miserably, blame your cerebellum. Point number 4. The limbic system, your emotional core. Here's where things get juicy. The limbic system is the drama queen of your brain. It's emotional, impulsive, and deeply human. The amygdala, that's your fear alarm. It keeps you safe, but sometimes overreacts. The hippocampus, your memory librarian. It files away moments except when stress floods your system. The hypothalamus, your personal thermostat. Hungry, sleepy, in love? That's it. The cingulate gyrus. It helps you switch emotional gears like, okay, let's calm down now. It's the heart of intuition, instincts, and emotional memory, and when balanced, it gives you emotional intelligence. Point number 5. The brain's chemical orchestra. Now let's talk about the brain's Wi-Fi, neurotransmitters. These are your brain's text messages, tiny molecules that carry thoughts and feelings. Let's meet the main characters. Dopamine, the yes chemical, associated with motivation, reward, pleasure. Every time you check your phone, your dopamine says hi. Serotonin, the calm content chemical, associated with mood, sleep, happiness. GABA, the chill pill, reduces anxiety and overthinking. Norepinephrine, the focus booster, helps you stay alert. Oxytocin, the love glue, associated with bonds, hugs, trust. Endorphins, your natural painkillers, that post-workout high or laughter high, that's all them. Your mood, your confidence, your sense of connection, all shaped by this chemical dance. And here's the twist. You can influence them with sleep, food, sunlight, music, and a lot of love. Yes, You can literally retrain your chemistry of the brain.
Point number 6. The brain's secret networks. Your brain runs on networks, not just paths. Default mode network. That's your daydream or self-reflection mode. Central executive network for focus and problem solving. Salience network. It detects what's important, like when your phone buzzes or your name is called. Limbic network. Emotions and memories. Reward network. Motivation and pleasure. The reason you chase goals, people, or Netflix shows. You switch between these networks hundreds of times a day, like apps running in the background of your mind. Point number 7. Protecting your brain. Your brain is precious, so it's wrapped in layers of love. Meninges, 3 protective membranes. Cerebrospinal fluid, cushions it. Blood-brain barrier, filters toxins like a bouncer at the club of your mind. Want to protect it? Eat clean, move often, sleep deeply, and breathe. Oxygen is your brain's best friend. Point number 8. The big picture. Let's zoom out. Your brain is not just an organ. It's your story, your emotions, your entire universe. It holds every moment you've ever lived, every love you've ever felt, and every dream you've ever dared to imagine. And guess what? It's always learning, always growing, always becoming. So the next time you feel lost, remember, your brain isn't broken. It's just rewiring itself for something new. Take care of it. Feed it curiosity, rest, and kindness. Because when your brain thrives, you thrive with it. If you found this video fascinating, share it with a friend who loves deep conversations. And hey, let's keep exploring the mind together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and remember, you are the consciousness behind the chemistry. See you in the next one. And for more such insights, subscribe to Psyche Abridged.